Do you struggle trying to decide which real estate brokerage to join? Don't worry, you're not alone. In just 3 simple steps, I'm going to show you how to choose the best brokerage to boost your journey in building a real estate empire as a new real estate agent. Let's get started. Picking the right brokerage is more than just a job choice. It's a key step toward building a successful real estate career you've always wanted. Whether you're just starting out or thinking about a change, these 3 easy steps will help you make the best choice for your unique path. Welcome to the Spence Show, your go-to spot for all things real estate and personal growth. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss any of my golden nuggets to grow your real estate empire and your life. First things first, let's get clear on real estate empire goals. What do you really want to achieve in real estate? Knowing your goals is like setting your GPS before a trip. It makes sure you're heading in the right direction. Do you love helping families find their dream home? Or maybe you're excited about the fast-paced world of commercial real estate, perhaps luxury properties, luxury rentals, property management, or more your thing. But different brokerages are strong in different areas. So take a moment, write down your short-term and your long-term goals, but short-term goals might be learning all the basics, building your first client list, 100 names technique I talked about in a previous video. Check it out. Fierce formula, or reaching certain sales numbers in your first year. Long-term goals include leading a team, starting a school community, maybe moving into commercial real estate, or creating your own brand. When you know what you want, it's much easier to find a brokerage that matches your goals and supports your growth every step of the way. Remember, your goals are the foundation for your empire. Your goals are supposed to fit into that of the bigger plan within a real estate brokerage. And so it's really important that you choose and pick the right one, because in my personal experience, the first brokerage I went to, I just felt like a warm body. I felt ignored. I didn't get the attention that I needed. All of the veteran agents were getting the best leads, the best support. And here I was on the sideline, even though I was a producing agent. I was getting things done. I was listing homes. I was working with buyers, but I felt isolated within the brokerage. So you have to make sure where you are is a good fit. And that I struggled with for 2 years. I should have left after 6 weeks, but I am not a believer of jumping from one brokerage to the next. I strongly believe you find one that's a good fit and obviously stay there until you decide, okay, I want to scale. I want my own brokerage. I want a franchise, or I want to find a home where I can build a team. Step 2, let's do a deep dive into research and comparison. So step 2 is all about doing your homework. Think of this as your real estate treasure hunt. Dig deep to find the perfect fit for you, because as I mentioned before earlier in this video, it has to feel like a good match, like a puzzle piece coming together. Start by looking at each brokerage's reputation. Check out reviews on sites like Glassdoor, Realtor.com, Google reviews. Talk to current or former agents. You'll learn a lot from the ones that left to get the inside scoop of what's really going on inside. What is it like to work there? Next, look at the support and resources each brokerage offers. Do they provide thorough training that covers everything from finding leads to negotiating deals? For example, Fierce Realty is known for its strong training program via the Fierce Formula 100 Names technique. EXP has a virtual model. KW has a training university. So check out the marketing support and technology tools that they have. A good CRM system, customizable website, digital marketing tools can really help you stay organized and attract clients. Brokerages like eXp Realty offer advanced virtual office setups and cloud-based tools that let agents work smoothly from anywhere. And in real estate, you can work anywhere in the world as long as you have a cell phone, internet access, and a laptop. I tend to do everything on a laptop unless I really need to use a cell phone or a tablet. But try and stick with the laptop because a laptop represents professionalism. It represents business. But it is all up to you. Wherever you are in the world, whatever tool you use to connect, you can do that if you have a virtual setup. One extra tip, don't forget to compare the commission structures and fees. Some brokerages give higher commission splits but charge more for services, while others provide more support for a lower split. For example, Realty One Group provides competitive splits, but they have a strong focus on agent support and teamwork. Home Smart Advisors, they provide high commission. It's a 100% commission shop, but they provide little support. In fact, you would have to be an experienced agent to qualify to become an agent there. Lastly, fill out the company culture. A positive, team-oriented environment can make a big difference in your daily environment and your overall happiness. Try to attend some of their meetings, open houses, networking events to see if the vibe feels right to you. A supportive culture helps you grow and it encourages teamwork, mentorship. Important for new agents starting out, you need the energy from a team, a group of people working together as a collective to build something, a real estate empire. And I'm not talking about working as a team member, because that would be a very bad decision for any new agent to join a team. And that you can find out. I will talk about that more in my next video. But for now, what I am talking about is the energy, the excitement, the enthusiasm when one agent gets a listing, the other one signs an agreement of sale for a buyer, the other one helps a family with a rental, or another agent solves a really complex problem like a buy and a sell at the same time, or financing issues and get them over the hump. That kind of environment breeds excitement, and you need that as a real estate agent, because it can become very lonely if you're anywhere working in the world but you don't have that support system, emotional support system, cooperative support system. And in my community, by the way, where I solve some of these problems for new real estate agents, look in the description below. I have a roadmap. You may be interested in learning more about how to travel the road of a new real estate agent. I have a visual description of the roadmap, and I have a more detailed read and write type of learner description of the roadmap to become successful and to grow a real estate empire. So click the description below. I'll send you the information and you'll find out how to get to the next step. So conduct interviews and make your choice. The final step is to meet with the brokerage you're interested in. Through interviews and meetings, this is your chance to ask the right questions and to see if the brokerage truly fits your needs and your goals. When you're interviewing with a brokerage, come prepared with a list of important questions, and here are some key ones to ask. Training and development. What kind of training programs do you offer for new agents? Is there ongoing education and support for continuing professional growth? Do you have a mentorship program? If so, is it a fee-based or no? Can I be paired with an experienced agent to help me with my first transaction? Is there a fee to that? How does your brokerage help with lead generation? What marketing tools and resources are available to help me promote my listings? What CRM systems and real estate software do you provide? How do these tools fit into my daily workflow? Can you explain your commission structure in detail? What fees should I know about, and what services do they cover? How would you describe the company culture here? What values are more important to your brokerage? Don't be afraid to ask about the brokerage expectations and what success looks like within their organization. Understanding their performance metrics and how they help agents each set goals, that's key. At my brokerage, I am an independent brokerage owner. I own Fierce Realty Corp. I've been a broker for several years, and what I do is help agents go from 0 to 2 listings per month. After your interview, gather all the information you collected, make a comparison chart to evaluate each brokerage against your real estate empire goals and the factors that matter most to you. Think about which brokerage not only meets your immediate needs, but also supports your long-term vision. Trust your gut. If the brokerage feels right and matches your values, it's probably the best choice for you. And there you have it, 3 simple steps to help you choose the perfect real estate brokerage to start and grow your real estate empire. Remember, the decision is big. It's a big step towards your success. So take your time to evaluate your options carefully. But before you go, here are some extra tips to make sure you make the best decision. Connect with agents who are already working at the brokerage. You're interested in their real life experiences, and it gives you insight into the daily operations and the overall environment. Look for growth opportunities. Find brokerages that offer clear paths for advancement, a roadmap like I talked about earlier. Whether it's moving into leadership roles, expanding your skills, or building your own team, growth opportunities are important for long-term attraction, satisfaction. Check location and market presence. The brokerage presence is your target market and can greatly affect your ability to close deals. A strong local presence and a wide network can open up more opportunities and higher commissions. And evaluate your work-life balance. Real estate can be demanding, so you choose a brokerage that respects your work-life balance. Look for flexible schedules, supportive management, and resources that help you manage your time well. Using these extra tips will help you make a well-rounded decision and set you up for learning success in a competitive real estate world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspiring agents. Have any questions or need more advice? Drop a comment below and I'd love to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to the Deb Spence Show for more easy to follow tips, strategies, and insider knowledge, some golden nuggets to take your real estate empire to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. Much love. Deb Spence.